Welcome back to our channel, folks. Today, we have something truly exciting to share with you all. In this video, we'll be diving into the world of Pictory AI and exploring its revolutionary features. So, get ready to witness the future of photo editing. We all love capturing special moments with our smartphones, right? But what if I told you there's a way to take those ordinary photos and transform them into something extraordinary? That's where Pictory AI comes in. Pictory AI is an innovative photo editing tool powered by artificial intelligence. It takes your regular photos and turns them into breathtaking masterpieces with just a few simple clicks. One of the most remarkable aspects of Pictory AI is its user-friendly interface. Whether you are a professional photographer or just someone who loves taking photos, Pictory AI provides an intuitive editing experience that anyone can enjoy. I've been using Pictory AI for a while now, and I have to say, it's completely transformed my photography game. The AI-powered features and filters give my photos a unique and professional look that I could never achieve on my own. Thanks to its advanced algorithms, Pictory AI can automatically enhance colors, adjust lighting, and even remove unwanted objects from your photos. Say goodbye to hours of manual editing because Pictory AI does it all for you. Let me show you some examples. Just watch as Pictory AI transforms this dull, flat image into a vibrant work of art with enhanced colors and stunning details. It's like having your own personal photo editing assistant right at your fingertips. Now, you might be wondering how you can get your hands on this amazing tool. Well, fear not. Pictory AI offers flexible subscription plans that cater to your specific needs. Whether you are a casual user or a professional photographer, there's a plan that's perfect for you. And the best part? Pictory AI is available on all major platforms, including iOS, Android, and desktop. So, no matter what device you prefer, you can unleash your creativity and elevate your photos to a whole new level. So, what are you waiting for? Join the millions of users who have already embraced Pictory AI and witness the power of AI-driven photo editing. Trust me, once you experience Pictory AI, you'll never look at your photos the same way again. Thank you for watching, and be sure to hit that subscribe button and bell icon to stay updated with all our future videos. Until next time, keep capturing those unforgettable moments with Pictory AI. Happy editing!